Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm standing in front of 238 State Street. This is the newest listing that we have on the peninsula in Portland. We are just a block and a half up from Longfellow Square and a couple blocks from Deering Oaks Park. So right on the peninsula. This is a super sweet condo. It is not going to be on the market long. 400 and some odd square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and $219,900. So let's come on in and take a look. And you can see I'm walking in here. This would be a wonderful studio apartment for someone. Great crash pad. This room, the people who own it, one of their kids lived here before, and it was set up in a couple different ways. This was set up as a bedroom with a day bed, and then this was their office, and then they later changed that around, and this was the bedroom, and this was the office. So that's got some nice. It's actually much quieter than one would think. So. Great space, nice light on the front and on the sides. You also have decent sized clothes closet, hardwood floors. Someone might want to refinish these floors over on this side. And just a little cafe table for your meals. You can put a couch over here. Cute kitchen. You have a 4-burner electric stove, your sink, and little refrigerator, and a rack for all your pots and pans. And you can put your plates up there, and very easy living. So great investment property for someone. Let's take a look at the bathroom as well. Got a full bath, tile floor, nice surround here, very clean and easy. And why don't we go take a look downstairs. Pets are allowed here, and there is someone who needs to get a parking permit to find a spot on the street. So no parking. You do have the laundry downstairs, and we'll go take a look at that right now. So you've got your washers and dryers here, which are newer and coin operated. And one of the benefits about this particular condo association is heat is included in the condo fee. Condo fees are $245 a month, so there's this is the heater in here. And another nice thing about this unit is it includes Wi-Fi, internet, snow removal. There's really nothing to do. It's pretty simple and very easy. So a no-brainer. Coming on the market this week, $219,900. If you are not working with a broker, give me a call. My number is 207-232-6127. If you are working with a realtor, please give them a call. I don't think this is going to last very long. And where are you going to find a condo on the peninsula at this price and this level of quality? Thanks a lot.